Do you know the small pieces do you know how the small pieces that are used in aircraft engines or in other industry are produced? Do you know how much does it cost for a company to produce these small components? It's actually too much. Nowadays, most of the companies are using high-pressure injection molding to produce these small components. In high-pressure injection molding, they mix metallic or ceramic powders with binders like polyvinyl chloride, which is really detrimental for the environment. And in the second part, they use really huge devices. These really huge machines requires high pressure, high temperature, and consequently the parts that are produced are really expensive. And in the last part, to extract the binders from the component, they have to use a solvent, which in this case, solvent like tetrahydrofuran is really detrimental for an environment. What we have done so far in our project, instead of using high-pressure injection molding, we use low-pressure injection molding. In low-pressure injection molding, we introduce new methods for mixing the binders and metallic powder or ceramic powders. In this case, instead of using, as I told you, it's polyvinyl chloride as main binders, we use paraffin wax or beeswax, which is really completely environmentally friendly. And in the second part, we design and manufacture a new injection molding machine, which requires low pressure, low temperature, and consequently the parts that are produced is more cheaper than high pressure injection molding. And in the last part, to extract the binders, instead of using the solvent, which as I told you, it's detrimental for the environment, we use aluminum oxide, which is a wicking material. This wicking material could extract the binders from the component by capillary force. And we are really hopeful that introduce these new methods to the company, and in near future, we are really hopeful to that company use a low pressure injection molding instead of high pressure injection molding to save the environment. Thanks you for your attention.